it's your girl Des. I'm back with another video, and this is more of a DIY how-to type of video. So everyone is gaining interest to creating YouTube channels, putting out content, all that other stuff right now, but everyone may not have the tools and products to do it. So I've been in the game for a long time. It feels like I know my subscriber count and all that doesn't show, but you know, that was lack of consistency. But when I first started, I didn't have a tripod or nothing like that. Like I literally created a tripod based off what I had at home. You know, sometimes when you're taking videos or whatever, you just prop your phone up anywhere that allows your phone to stay up, be positioned, and all that. But I'm gonna show you guys how to create a ghetto tripod. Like, you don't have a tripod right now and you wanted to create a video at this moment, you can have a tripod right now. So you'll only need two things, honestly: an empty roll of tissue and some scissors. And I know you may not have an empty roll of tissue right now, but the next time you're in the bathroom, try to remember, okay, don't throw away that roll. Don't be out there wasting your mama's tissue. You know, she gonna get you. So yeah, just need two things. Like, this is literally what I use. So all you need to do is grab your scissors, and then you can measure if you want, but who got time for that? So get your scissors and then just cut. Don't cut too low yet. This is literally how much I cut. Because you can go lower as, you know, you go. So then you're going to cut the other side approximately. If you have a bulky case on your phone, you may have to cut wider, but my case isn't really that bulky. And like I said, you can go wider with time. So I'm just going to go right here. And try to make your cuts even with the other cut you cut, if that makes sense. So then we're gonna go directly across and cut another one. Like the same line. Try to make it even. If not, it's okay. So you have your cuts. So now just fold it over. Okay, I'll use the calculator. And you literally have your own little tripod. You can extend. I don't know if you can see me extending, but you know, it's something. You can easily prop it. I don't know if you can see me prop it. But yeah, you got your own little tripod, your own little selfie stick. It's kind of stable. It's just something to work with for now. But of course, you can always go get a tripod, a selfie stick from like Five Below if you have that in your area. Order one from Amazon, but that takes time. If you want something for now, I got you. So I hope this video was helpful. If you actually do this, let me know. Like, it's funny, but it's useful. So yeah. If you ain't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe. But yeah, I got y'all. So if you guys enjoy, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.